Hey everybody, this is John from DroidDog.com, and this is just a quick video on the Android home replacement Home++. It's embedded in a large post on my favorite Android apps for use with Google's Nexus One over at DroidDog.com. So if you're watching this on YouTube, click the link in the description. Now, one of the coolest things about Home++ is that it gives you more room on your home screen. Practically, it gives you an extra row of application launchers because you have quite a few taken care of right here in this bar, which is scrollable. It also gets rid of your notification bar on the home screen. That doesn't actually offer you any more space for extra icons, but it does kind of clean up the interface, and it looks neat, I think, to have your notification bar down at the bottom there. Secondly, it gives you all kinds of functionality that the stock notification bar does not have. And I might have a little bit of trouble hitting each one of these options. But you'll notice that if you press the battery icon, it's pretty small there, so I'm using my pinky, you can actually bring up your battery usage statistics there. And you'll see that when I launched an app, my notification bar did return to the top of the screen there. Let's go back home. And before I move on anymore, I'll show you that you can add or remove that notification bar just by long pressing on the notification button here. Pressing the notification button brings the notification bar down whether or not you have it displaying at the top of the screen. So you're not losing the functionality there. Back to the bottom notification bar here, if I do a long press on my carrier signal, and again I might have to use my pinky here, I bring up my wireless and network settings. So that's a nice shortcut. Same deal on the Wi-Fi signal. And on my sound settings. Now scrolling the bar to the left, you'll see that I have a row of icons available to me. These have different functionality on short press and long press. Most of them, the long press allows you to change a setting. For the context, there is no difference between short and long press. It just brings up your favorites. Voice search, tap it once. And you get the voice dialer. Do a long press. And you get voice search. Browser, tap once and it brings up your default browser. Mine is set to Dolphin. Do a long press, and you can change which browser that icon points to. This is your app drawer. Press it once, short press, and you get the old-fashioned app drawer. So you are missing that curved, some people call it like a Star Wars style app launcher that comes with Android 2.1. But as much as I like that, I think it's a cool effect. You're not losing any functionality by using this old app drawer. Now, long pressing the app drawer gives you application settings where you can manage your applications, clear default settings, uninstall, that sort of thing. Already went over the notification button. Bring down your notification bar, display or hide it on the home screen, and your bookmarks icon. The one thing I don't like about this Home++ is that you can't change which bookmarks this points to. So it's only going to look in the stock Android browser for your bookmarks. It's not checking anything that you have set up in Dolphin or any other browser. So that's one change that I would like to see, but again, this is a very early beta. One last long press option that you have on this bar here is the date and time settings. So that's a handy way to get to that quickly. One other thing that I should point out is that not only can you drag and drop widgets to a trash can on the home screen there with Home++, but if you drag and drop to the trash can and then hold it there, it says drop to uninstall. You can actually uninstall an application right from the home screen there. So Home++ not only cleans up your home screen and gives you basically, at least in my case, an extra row of icons that you can customize because my main contact ones that I use to keep on this row are now down below, but it also gives you all sorts of extra functionality, shortcuts to get to settings much more quickly. And it's just cool. It's a cool idea, and it's rock solid. My experience so far in the Nexus One is that it has not crashed once. Last feature, looped home screens. If you look at the indicator bar at the bottom showing you which home screen I'm on, there's 2, there's 1. I keep swiping. It's an infinite loop. Now I'm back on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 1. So that's an extremely handy feature. So far, my verdict on Home++ is a big double thumbs up.